Did you know that cats have been fascinating humans for over 9,000 years? Here are some amazing facts about our feline friends. Cats' eyes are 6 times more sensitive to light than ours, making them incredible night hunters. It's like having built-in night vision goggles. With powerful back legs, cats can jump up to 6 times their body length in a single leap. That's like a human jumping over a bus. When cats knead with their paws, it's a behavior left over from kittenhood when they kneaded their moms to stimulate milk flow. It's their way of saying, I'm happy and relaxed. On average, cats sleep 12 to 16 hours a day. That's 2/3 of their life spent snoozing. Talk about living the dream. Which of these facts surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to share this with a fellow cat lover.